crust. This crust was a simple crust. It was almond flour, sweetener, butter, a little bit of salt. And the recipe below will go into more detail for that. It's just slightly brown on the edges. You're supposed to scatter the pecans and chocolate chips over the crust and then pour that filling that we just made over top of that. You need a few ounces of sugar-free chocolate chips. I use Choc Zero. We're going to start our filling. You need to get a small saucepan and start a stick of butter. Go ahead and melt that. And I've already got that going. The next thing is that you would put in the sweetener. We're going to use allulose. And I'm going to need 2/3 of a cup of that. The original recipe called for Yacon syrup. I do not know what that is. So I'm going to just use Choc Zero's caramel syrup. And we're going to need 2 teaspoons. So I didn't think it would matter as long as it was some sort of sugar-free syrup. So I decided to go with that. I make another pecan dessert with the caramel, so I kind of have it on hand. So you need to whisk this together until it's combined, and then we'll remove it from the heat. Okay, so I removed our butter mixture from the stove, and we're going to go ahead and set up on the countertop. Now, to this you need to add your vanilla, which is going to be 1.5 teaspoons. So that's about right. And you need 1/2 cup of whipping cream. Okay. Mix that together. I'm going to add 2 eggs that were slightly beaten. You need to kind of incorporate that all together, so it's going to be a little tricky. And a little bit of salt. Filling. Let's go over the top of this. We will bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 325, and I'm probably going to let mine be a little underdone because I want it gooey. So we'll see. And we will have to let it cool before we cut it into bars. Okay, so this is the Keto Pecan Pie bars. I still think I should have left them in the oven just a teeny bit longer, but this is them all cooled and ready to serve. Okay, y'all, I'll see you next time.